Time for a news blast from the Pep Radio newsroom. A state judge in Montana has temporarily blocked that policies that prevented transgender people from changing their sex designation on their birth certificates and driver's licenses. District Judge Mike Menahan issued his order Monday, blocking the rule while the case moves through the courts. Menahan said it was not necessary at this point in the litigation to determine whether transgender Montanans constitute a special class based on their transgender status, but he disagreed with the state's argument that discrimination on the basis of transgender status is not discrimination on the basis of sex. If the challenged state actions discriminate against transgender individuals on the basis of their transgender status, they also necessarily discriminate on the basis of sex, he wrote. The case was filed in April by two transgender women on behalf of themselves and others who have been unable to obtain documents that accurately reflect their sex, the complaint said. One rule blocks transgender people from Montana who are born in Montana from changing the sex designation on their birth certificate. Another policy prevents transgender residents from changing the sex on their driver's license without an amended birth certificate, which they can't obtain if they were born in Montana. Montana's legislature in 2023 passed a law defining the word sex in state law as being only male or female and based upon a person's sex assigned at birth. The law defining sex was overturned as unconstitutional because its title did not accurately explain its purpose, but the ACLU argues the state is still using it to set policy with regard to driver's licenses. Menahan's order blocked the 2022 Health Department rule on birth certificates and the motor vehicle division policy that prevented people from changing the sex on their driver's licenses without an amended birth certificate. He also blocked the bill that defined sex as only male or female as it is applied to birth certificates and driver's licenses. For more information on name changes here in Pennsylvania, we strongly encourage you to seek out the advice of an attorney before proceeding to court to file your application for your name change. That's our news blast at this hour. Time for more music on Pep Radio.